I don't know about you guys, but I feel like every time I go out of the house, there are 10,000 things that I need to bring with me just in case. The thing is, a lot of my purses are small because they're just cuter, but I always end up bringing a small purse and a tote bag. All this to say that I just got back home and only brought one purse with me. This is from Aliada. This is their Mini Reverie Hobo in Cloud. The thing that I love about this bag is it's not too big, but it also carries so much stuff in it. So let's see what's in my bag. Sunnies, my wallet, mirror. I love this mirror, but I think I broke it. It used to light up whenever you press it here. Hair clip, AirPods, hand cream, facial spray, especially because it's getting so hot now. Hand sanitizer, tinted lip gloss, and just clear gloss. Power bank, very important. This light that I use for content creation, especially when it's indoors and it's dark. Blotting paper, gum, this film camera that my friend gave me for my birthday. This hair oil that I use for my baby hair because I have so many. Extra hair tie, and this inhaler, because if you know, you know. And that's it, bye!